What is up? I'm Sergeant Ballistic, but you guys can call me Brian. Thank you for checking out this video. Today we've got a pretty cool build for you guys. I'm going to be putting together Adam Savage's workshop in 1/48 scale. For those of you who've seen my previous video, I did an unboxing of his quarterly maker box that he curated, and it included laser cut parts to his workshop and a plethora of maker tools in order to put this together, as well as kind of a challenge of making our own makerspace and or house or apartment. So today we're going to be putting this together, and it's kind of in the spirit of Adam's one-day build, so let's get into it. I guess the first part will be doing this main part of his workshop, and it's kind of, you know, made into assemblies and things like that. So we've got a dividing door and an exterior door. This is the dividing door, and it's gonna go here, but that way around. Let's see if these are symmetrical. They are. So we'll have this and this. Apply a liberal amount of hot glue. I don't know what type of working time this glue has. It's the first time I've worked with this glue gun. I need to use something as a spacer as I apply this down. And then I guess next we can do these guys. So I do like how he had everything kind of set up in sub-assemblies. The bag came mixed together and you have to kind of like sort through it, but all the parts are numbered. And so you can refer to the actual numbers that are in the pictures. So I'm probably gonna, in post, just kind of split between me talking for some parts and maybe some time lapses and things like that. I hope that's right. Alright, so I think I'm going to leave this wall off for the time being for the sake of making it easier for you guys to see what I'm doing from that angle. But this guy is pretty much done. It looks like I did everything in the right orientation. So yeah, now we can work on some of the kind of other sub-assemblies, like the office and bathroom. So let's do the office first. I feel like I'm going to do the vertical walls first. As far as I can tell, that's got to be it, right? Right? I feel fairly confident in this one, so let's do this one. I kind of like putting the glue in these little grooves that, you know, it's corrugated, so it's got these little grooves between the two exterior pieces, and that seems like a nice channel to run the glue along. Yeah, there we go. Then this last section of the roof. The edges are so perfectly aligned. It's beautiful. Feels good when you get a nice consistent bead that just runs out and you feed it at the exact perfect kind of rate, you know, short of actually getting to visit Adam's shop, which is kind of like a dream of mine. It's pretty cool. This is, I guess, one of the most intensive looks we've had at it in terms of like a bird's eye view and interior view and stuff like that. So that is the office complete. It will go right here. And they've actually got on the base of this little, I guess that's an etching using the laser etcher of kind of where different things go, like I guess the pool table will go there and the circular thing will go there and the bathroom is over there. So that's pretty cool. So next, I guess let's work on that bathroom. So that is pretty much everything. Like I said, we've got these two guys, which are kind of the exterior doors here. So we'll do that. I imagine this is like a rolling garage door or something like that. You think? And what it would be is kind of just a rolled up door. So most of them have. It's like a little chain that hangs down. I need more glue. That was too much, of course. Go from not enough to too much. So that was a little bit of an assumption, but I think it adds to it a little bit. All right, so sort of the final step is to kind of tack everything down where they need to actually be, and then put on the last exterior wall. And so that is it. This is Adam Savage's shop, completed in 1/48 scale out of cardboard. Again, I can't speak highly enough of this quarterly box, this maker box that Adam curated. I thought it was wonderful. I did an unboxing video, as I mentioned, and I thought it was very personal, and it has a huge theme, and it really pushes people to become better makers, which I'm all about. So I can't recommend that enough. If Adam comes out with another one, then you guys should definitely pick that up. I love the Savage Industry things that he's starting to come out with. He just came out with the EDC 1, Everyday Carry 1 bag. I'm setting aside some money for that. This was wonderful. I haven't done a model like this in a long time. I guess probably since college, when I had to model some things for different projects I was doing, like smart home stuff. But this was really, really cool. I love Adam's shop. I love his tested videos and one day build videos in the shop. So it was really, really cool getting this kind of more up close and behind the scenes look at what's in the shop and the layout. And now every single shot I see of the shop, I'll be able to kind of better be able to place stuff, directionally and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this was a lot of fun. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know what you thought of this project and what you guys might want to see in the future. What did I do wrong? I'm sure there's gonna be some people with some critiques. What would you do to kind of customize this more? I put the little garage door on there because I'm guessing that's what that is, and I might add some other stuff that I notice in the future. I've got a lot of cardboard because I get a lot of packages. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, give a thumbs down if you did not, but leave some feedback in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this, and maybe I'll do my house. I kind of live in a complicated split level house, and I'm just thinking about how complicated that would be, but maybe I'll try to do the house I'm living in now. That could be a fun project. But follow me on social media. I've got links to all the different social media platforms in the description below. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.